Hello friends and welcome to this tutorial of Slidescope where we are going to discuss about conditional probability. So conditional probability is an important concept for mathematics, statistics and machine learning. Conditional probability, as the name suggests, is the probability of some event happening given that some other event is also there. So let's discuss about conditional probability. So in case of conditional probability, first we assume that there is something we are investigating or considering. We can name it as A. This is event A, something that we are investigating. Then there is some other event that is a condition which can influence the probability of what we are investigating. So this is the given part and this is what we have. So the the way to write things is P parenthesis A vertical bar B. The vertical bar, you have seen this vertical bar many times in your books, in theory, in your papers. But the meaning of this vertical bar is given. So A given B. So this is probability of A given B, right? So these are two conditions. Remember, we will know this thing or we have to calculate this thing. So this is probability of A given B. In your problems, in your questions, you have to identify whether it's asking for probability of A given B or not. Here PA is the probability of event A happening, means the probability that event A will occur. PB is the probability of B, that event B will occur. And we have to calculate the probability of event A given B. Remember this term, I am taking this name again and again, given. This is the formula of conditional probability. In this formula, you can see that PA vertical bar B is written, or PA given B, the probability of A given B is equal to PA intersection B divided by PB. That means in the numerator part we have PA intersection B. PA intersection B is the probability of event A and event B occurring. So here we are taking and, so event A and B. What is the probability of event A and B to occur? And this vertical bar A here is PA given B. So the difference between these two signs is this represents and this represents given. So given and these are the two meanings. So you don't have to confuse between them. And PB is simple, the probability of event B alone. So this is a Venn diagram. Here we are considering the universe here. This rectangular box is representing the universe, and here we have PB. What is PB? PB is the probability of B, probability of event B occurring in this universe. What is PA here? PA is the probability of event A occurring in this universe. This small area here is the intersection of A and B, and we can say that probability of event A and probability of event B, this is probability of A intersection B, means something where both conditions are true. So an example can be PA is person being a male, and PB can be that person likes coffee. So PB is that the person likes coffee. PA is person is a male. But the condition that a person who is male and he likes coffee is PA and B, right? So the same example we are considering here. The probability that a person is male and he likes coffee is 2.25%, and he likes coffee is 2.25%. That means the space we are considering here is this. Now we have to calculate the probability of person who likes coffee given he is a male. So now PB is the probability of person liking coffee. But given he is a male, what is the probability? Remember, probability of A and B is different than probability of A given B. So here we are considering only PB. Here we are considering what is the probability of person who likes coffee. What is the probability of person who likes coffee given he is a male. So first of all, A, let's consider A person likes coffee. In this case, we are considering opposite. Let's say A is person likes coffee and B is person is male. So A, this is A, person likes coffee, and this is B, person is male. Now PA intersection B, that is the person is male and he likes coffee is 2.25%. Remember one thing you have to remember, PA intersection B is same as PB intersection A, right? PA intersection B will always be same as PB intersection A, because in this case either you look at PB intersection A or PA intersection B, it will be same, but the probability of event A given event B will not be same. So PA given B will be different and PB given A will be different. Now here we can say that 2.25% is 2.25 divided by 100 is equal to 0.0225. So probability of A given B, what we have to calculate here is 0.225 divided by zero point 0.5. Now why zero point 0.5? Because this is the probability of B. Remember this formula. So PA intersection B in our case is 0.0225 and PB. So given we have male and females only, the probability of B can be zero point 0.5 or will be zero point 0.5, because the probability of someone being the probability of a person being male is 50%, and probability of person being female is also 50%. So this, on the basis of our calculations, we can calculate that the probability of person A, the probability of person who likes coffee given being a male is 4.5%. 4.5%. So this is how you calculate conditional probability. This is the conditional probability where words like given are used. And so that is the end of our video. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video lecture of this series, we are going to discuss about Bayes theorem, and we have an online course of data analytics and machine learning on our channel. And Bayes theorem is helpful in understanding probability theory, and this is used to create machine learning algorithms. There is an algorithm called naive Bayes classifier in machine learning, and naive Bayes classifiers are family of simple probabilistic classifiers based on applying Bayes theorem with a strong naive independence assumptions between the features. So this particular thing here, conditional probability, is the building block for Bayes theorem, and Bayes theorem is a very important theorem used in probability distribution probability theory. And if you have knowledge of conditional probability, then you will be able to understand the Bayes theorem more in a more clear way. You can contact us at slidescope.com. You can comment in the comment section below if you have any doubts, and if you have any suggestions also. And if you want to watch Bayes theorem video, you can subscribe our channel, and we will upload various videos related to machine learning and probability theory in the near future. So hope you will subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.